If you've started learning AI development recently, you've probably heard one thing over and over again: you need LangChain. But here's the truth: you don't need LangChain to build AI applications. In fact, for many projects, adding LangChain too early only makes things more complicated. So in this video, let's understand exactly when you need LangChain and when you don't. Let's imagine we have a simple employee management application. A user types, "Create an employee named John." The AI understands the request, passes it to an MCP server. The MCP server calls your existing backend API, and your backend stores the employee in the database. That's it. No LangChain, just AI, MCP, and your backend. This is where many beginners make a mistake. They think every AI project needs LangChain, but ask yourself one question: is my AI only making one decision? If the answer is yes, you probably don't need LangChain. Now let's change the problem. Instead of asking AI to create an employee, let's ask it, "Deploy my Node.js application." Suddenly, one tool call isn't enough. Finally, the AI has to decide the correct order. It can't deploy before building the Docker image. It can't build before downloading the latest code. Planning means coordinating all of these steps in the right sequence. Now the AI needs to perform several actions. It fetches the latest code from GitHub, builds a Docker image, deploys it to AWS, and each step depends on the previous one. Now imagine your company has a deployment guide. Maybe every deployment requires a health check or a security review. The AI doesn't magically know that. It needs to retrieve your documentation first. That's called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Finally, the AI has to decide the correct order. It can't deploy before building the Docker image. It can't build before downloading the latest code. Planning means coordinating all of these steps in the right sequence. Notice something interesting. LangChain isn't replacing the AI. It's not replacing your backend. It's helping coordinate memory, tools, document retrieval, and planning. Think of it as the project manager for your AI workflow. So, do you need LangChain? If you're building a simple AI chatbot, connecting AI to your backend with MCP, or making straightforward tool calls, probably not. But when your AI needs memory, multiple tools, document retrieval, and complex workflows, that's where LangChain starts to shine. Start simple, understand the fundamentals, and add frameworks only when your application truly needs them.